In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust vignette size video in Filmora. First, open Filmora and import your video, then drag your clip onto the timeline and click the clip to select it. Next, open the color or effects or video panel, depending on your version of Filmora, and locate the vignette settings. Find the size slider. To increase the vignette size, move the slider to the right. This spreads the vignette further into the frame, creating wider dark edges and a softer focus toward the center. To decrease the size, move the slider to the left. This keeps the vignette closer to the corners and creates a tighter focus effect on the center. As you adjust it, preview the video and fine-tune until the framing looks balanced. Vignette size controls how far the darkening extends from the edges toward the center of the frame. It works together with Vignette Amount, where amount controls the strength of the effect and size controls how far it spreads. And that's how to adjust vignette size in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.